If you're a wheelchair user who travels a lot or likes to go shopping, then I've got a product that you need to hear about. Linda, tell me about this bag and why you use it and why it's so amazing.
Okay, so I started actually my company based on these bags. I travel a lot for work, for sports, and I've used old bags before where I just hold them and struggle to push and hold. So I found these bags and they've been a game changer. And now I can hook it on the back of my chair and it's on wheels that go sideways. Whew. So it moves easy enough. It's very lightweight. That's got stuff in it and it's very light, very durable. And I simply snap it on like that and then I can move.
Wow. And so now when you're in airports, you don't have to put it in front of you. It can just follow you wherever
Correct.
you need to go. It's quite a hardy bag.
I unclip it very easily and then I can just move it around.
And do you use it for shopping?
And there's actually the system there's 5 different bags. So this is the big one that I travel with mostly. There is a shopping bag that I take shopping. It's just slightly different. You wouldn't travel with it. There is another smaller bag, and then there is a cabin bag.
Bag is called
Phoenix Instinct.
Yep.
And come to Wheelie Essential. And awesome. I can do them all under low cost AT, $1,500, whole set of 5 bags, don't even need an OT.
Wow. That's actually pretty good.
That is pretty good.
Thank you for doing that. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.